Hello students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal. Welcome you all to my channel NS Online Math Classes. Our today's topic is the algebraic long division method, and in this division we will not be having any remainder, or we will be having a zero remainder. We will be having another session on the same method. Over there we will be having a non-zero remainder. We have already learnt about the synthetic division method where we had a linear divisor. And actually, I recommend this algebraic long division method for dividing every polynomial by another polynomial. But I only prefer the synthetic division method when we have a linear divisor. But it is not that you cannot use the synthetic division method for non-linear divisors. And it is totally up to you to decide which method you would be choosing. Okay? So without any further delay, let us start with our today's session. First of all, let us look at the question. Divide x to the power of 4 minus 4x squared plus 12x minus 9 by x to the power of 2 minus 2x plus 3. So the dividend is of degree 4 and the divisor is of degree 2. Now let us come to the rules. The first rule says that write the divisor and the dividend in descending powers of the common variable. The common variable is of course x. In both the cases we are having the same variable, that is x, and both the dividend and the divisor, they are already arranged in descending powers of x, so we do not have to do anything more to them. Okay, so coming to the rule number 2. All the powers of the variable starting from the highest power should be present in the dividend. It is not essential for the divisor, but it is absolutely essential for the dividend to have every power containing, the dividend should contain every power of the variable starting from the highest power. If any power is missing, add a term with a zero coefficient. Like over here we are having the term containing x to the power of 4, and then the next term is minus 4x to the power of 2. So we do not have a term containing x to the power of 3. That term is missing. In case of a missing term, we have to add a term with x to the power of 3 as the power of x and a 0 as its coefficient. So we write the dividend in this form: x to the power of 4 plus 0 x to the power of 3 minus 4x squared plus 12x minus 9. Okay. Next, we have to perform the division. So rule number 3. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor and write it as a term of the quotient. So the first term of the dividend is this, x to the power of 4, and this is the first term of the divisor. So we divide x to the power of 4 by x to the power of 2, and we get x to the power of 2 as the answer, which we write over here. We will be writing all the terms of the quotient over here. Then multiply this term, that means the term that we have got, with the terms of the divisor and subtract from the dividend. So x squared times x squared is x to the power of 4, x squared times negative 2x is negative 2x cubed, x squared times 3 is 3x squared, and we had to subtract this second line from the first line, so the terms of the second line will be getting their signs changed. And now we have to do the subtraction. So x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 get cancelled. That is equal to 0. This is 0x to the power of 3 plus 2x to the power of 3 is 2x to the power of 3. Negative 4x squared, negative 3x squared is negative 7x squared plus 12x minus 9. Okay. Rule number 4. If the subtraction result is equal to 0, or it is definitely not equal to 0, or if its degree is less than that of the divisor, you end the division and it becomes the remainder. But the degree of this polynomial is 3 and the degree of the divisor is 2. It is definitely not less than the divisor. So we come to the else part. Else make it the new dividend. This becomes our new dividend. The divisor is the same. And continue from rule 3. What is the rule 3? Divide the first term of the dividend. The first term of the dividend in this case is 2x to the power of 3. by the first term of the divisor. So we divide 2x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 2, which gives the answer as plus 2x. And this is the second term of the quotient. Multiply this term with the terms of the divisor. So 2x times x squared is 2x to the power of 3. 2x times negative 2x is negative 4x squared. And 2x times 3 is 6x. Subtract from the dividend. So first of all, we change the signs of these terms, and 2x cubed minus 2x cubed cancel. That is equal to 0. Now minus 7x squared plus 4x squared is minus 3x squared. 12x minus 6x is plus 6x and minus 9. Again, the subtraction result is not equal to 0, and this time the degree of this polynomial is 2 and the degree of the divisor is also equal to 2. So the degree is the same for both the divisor and this one, this polynomial that we have found. We have got it is not less than the degree of the divisor. So we have to continue with the division process. So we come to the else part. This becomes our new dividend and we move on to the rule number 3. This becomes the first term of the new dividend, and we divide this minus 3x squared by x squared to get the third term of the quotient, which is minus 3. And we will be multiplying this minus 3 with every term of the divisor. We get minus 3x squared plus 6x and minus 9. And we have to subtract, so the signs change, and you see minus 3x squared plus 3x squared, 6x minus 6x and minus 9 plus 9. The subtraction result is equal to 0. This time we are getting the subtraction result as 0, so we have to stop. So we end the division and the result, the remainder is a 0. That is what we had written. I had written in the heading without remainder. The remainder of the division is equal to 0 and the quotient is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay. So students, this is how you perform the algebraic long division method. You may have a non-zero remainder. We will be seeing how do we get a non-zero remainder, when do we get a non-zero remainder in our next session. But this is all for our today's session. Let us end the session over here. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We meet again very soon. Till then, bye.